I believe you have seen videos like this on platforms like TikTok and YouTube. The question is, how can you make videos like this? Today, I'll show you step-by-step process that creates these viral motion graphics in seconds. No After Effects, no animation skills, just AI automation. And the best part, people are making over $30,000 per month with this method. Other channels are making thousands of dollars too. This niche is not oversaturated because up until now, it has requested a pretty complicated skill of motion graphics and tools to make these videos. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you a tool that can generate these videos in seconds using AI. We are going to break this into 4 simple steps that anyone can follow. First step is the step where we need to generate our stories. To do that, we need to train ChatGPT to write the stories for us. But for that, we need to feed ChatGPT with viral content where it can analyze the content and can write for us scripts that have potential to go viral. Let's go to this channel on TikTok, for example, open one of their videos and copy the link of the video here. Now we need to go to a tool that can transcribe these videos. It's called TalkScript. Paste the video link here where it reads entire video. And in a matter of seconds, we will have the script ready. Now we need to copy the script and go to ChatGPT here. We need to write, I need you to analyze this script, and then paste the script and hit enter. ChatGPT is going to analyze the script and bring out the strengths, areas of improvement, and other points from this script. What we need to do next is write, now that you have analyzed this video, I need you to write me an interesting fact about US statistics based on the video script you analyzed. Great, it gave us some interesting facts about US now. As you might have noticed, most of these channels make content related to US. They do that because the RPM is higher for US-based content. RPM is how much you get paid for 1,000 viewers. So the higher the RPM, the more income for you. That's why I would suggest for you too to focus on content that includes US on it. Now that we have completed the first step and have the video script ready, it's time to move to the second step, which is generating the narration voice. For that, we are going to use a tool called 11 Labs, which is the best so far for creating realistic voice. And it has free and also paid subscriptions for this type of content. You can try the free version, but if you want to get more advanced voice, then use the starter pack. It's only $5 per month and it's really helpful. I'm going to do some research on the voice that I want to use here, but will not waste too much time. You can search yourself more deeply to find the perfect voice for your videos. I'm going to choose this one press, add here, and then press use. Now it has sent us to the tab where we need to put our script. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy all the parts of the script like this. Now that we have the script, press generate, and let's listen to the beginning to get the idea of the voice.
Did you know these fun facts about each U.S. state? Highlighting unique and surprising aspects of history, geography, and culture, United States 1 Alabama. The first rocket to land on the moon was built in Huntsville, earning it the nickname Rocket City. 2. Alaska. Alaska has more coastline than the rest of the U.S. combined, over 6,640 miles of oceanfront. 3. Arizona. The Grand Canyon is so vast that it creates...
Sounds perfect, so I'll download this one and then move to the third and most important step. This step is where I reveal this secret tool which is going to help us create these videos, and it is called the Google Earth Studio. To access it, you just need to type earth.google.com/studio, and you will come to this page, and all you have to do is sign up. You will do that with your Google account, and you only need to provide some basic information, such as your name, after signing up. So we have a couple of options here. You can choose a blank project or you can choose quick starts, which means you have a couple of templates there. So you have Zoom 2. This one is orbit. The third one is point to point. This one is spiral. And there is a fifth one, which is my favorite, fly to in orbit. And today I'll use this template for my video, so all you need to do is just click start, and right away you will be redirected to the next window where you'll see this small window at the bottom where you can input the location you want to go to. Head back to ChatGPT and check which state are we starting with. So the first state is Alabama. So here we'll insert our location and select this one. Okay, so here it is, let's go next. And right away I have this default template with rotating video around this area. So here at the bottom we have fields where we can change some attributes. So we have 25 seconds on the video, but you can change it to seconds that you want so that we'll be eligible for the creativity program. Then I'll click accept, and here we are. Here are some options on the left side, so we have camera position keyframes already predefined, and I will not change them. We also have a camera target, which I will leave as it is, and there is a camera rotation keyframes as well, which are pretty fine. Now we're going to the top left corner where it says File, and we're going to click Project Settings because we want to set up our video for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. So you're going to want to uncheck this and then change this to 1080 and this other side to 1920. And then instead of using frames, we're going to make this time code. And also there is a frame rate. It's up to you which one you want to choose. I'll go with 60 frames per second. Additionally, I'll select the checkbox, existing keyframes to new duration, and click done. So I see my timeline adjusted, and I have 25 seconds of it now. We will go to the left side and click on Add Attributes. So here are some additional attributes that I can add to the existing ones. They are Field of View, Clouds, and 3D Building, and finally click Done. If we're fine with our result, what we can do now is just go to the render option. So here we'll enter the name of our project. Then the attribution position is basically where we want to position the Google Earth copyright. Watermark, if you really wanted to, you could blur it out and I won't check anything else here or change. So that's it, very simple. And then I'm just going to submit as soon as it's finished. Rendering Google Earth will notify you. And then you can head over here to Animation Cloud Renders, and there your video is ready to download. Now that we have our video, we want to head over to our editing software of choice. I'm going to use CapCut because it's free and easy to use. So here's my clip and voiceover on the timeline. And the first step is to start cutting up blank spaces on your voiceover. Add cuts to all the points where there's clearly a blank space and then join them all together. Next is to gather all your videos you created from Google Earth Studio and import them to your timeline. Next is to change the aspect ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts and TikTok format. Once you have gathered all your materials to the timeline, it's time to match the video with the voiceover so that it can all align all together with the words. The first clip seems to move too slowly. We can change the speed to match the voice, go to speed and make the footage move faster. This seems about right. Once you have adjusted your clips, add in transitions and captions to make your video more engaging. Once the video is ready, hit export, and here are the results.
Did you know these fun facts about each U.S. state, highlighting unique and surprising aspects of history, geography, and culture? United States 1 Alabama. The first rocket to land on the moon was built in Huntsville, earning it the nickname Rocket City. 2. Alaska. Alaska has more coastline than the rest of the U.S. combined.
So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and write helpful in the comment section below. See you in the next one.